Hi guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A05s and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First of all, open new message or any other area where you've got access to your keypad. So, over here. Now tap on settings icon, select languages and types, click on manage input languages and choose the one in which you want to write. You can stay with both languages or activate one language only, however you like. Let me show you how it works with both. Let's go back. So here you've got Arabic, and then you can switch by tapping on the sword icon to a previous language. Obviously you can add as many languages as you want to, or stay with one language only, and then you will not have this word icon. Let me show you. Let's just remove Arabic and then you can see that it is not included here. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.